All right, we've been looking at parabolas. That right there is a parabola, a UV-shaped graph with a vertex and an axis of symmetry. So if you see an equation in this format, that is the format to make a parabola. If you see an equation with an x squared, it's going to probably be a parabola. The number in front of the x squared we refer to as a. The number in front of the plain old x we refer to as b. And the plain old number at the end we refer to as c. So if I give you this equation, I know that's going to make a parabola because it's written in the format ax squared plus bx plus c. I can use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. This is the formula to find the axis of symmetry. If I want to know the axis of symmetry and I don't want to graph it, or I'm told to find it algebraically, I use this formula, x equals negative b over 2a. So this is b, this is c, and x squared here, there's a number in front of the x squared, right? It's technically secretly 1, so a is 1. So I would just put in a and b into this formula. X equals negative 4 over 2 times 1, which is negative 4 over 2. So my axis of symmetry for this equation is x is equal to negative 2. So you can also find the vertex using this formula. So the formula is x equals negative b over 2a. So let's do a different example. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 11. So in this example, a is negative 2, b is 4, and c is negative 11. If I use this formula, I'm going to get negative 4 over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, so x is equal to negative 1. So if they ask you to find the vertex, you need to find an x and a y. This is the x, negative 1. To find the y, you write the equation, but every time you see an x, you're going to plug in the x from the axis of symmetry, because the vertex always lies on the axis of symmetry. So now we just simplify this, and we'll have the y coordinate for our vertex. So negative 1 squared is 1, times negative 2 would be negative 2. 4 times negative 1 would be negative 4, and negative 11. So in this case, y is equal to negative 17. So our vertex for this equation is negative 1, negative 17. That's all. Thank you.